In this episode we are going to look at how freight gets to its destination. There are three primary elements to the freight forwarding system used on Cooinda Railway. The underlying principle is the routing philosophy. There are two types of trains involved. 1. The concept of a mainline freight train. There is a northbound from Taree to Grafton and a southbound from Grafton to Taree. They are shown as red arrows on the map. These ply the main line and shunt wagons on and off at the interchange points of Coffs Harbour and Sherwood only. They are the equivalent of the North American through freight. 2. The concept of the local freight. There are 11 different local freights and are the green arrows on the map. These run between the yards or interchange locations to the local destinations. They are variously called local freights, trip trains, or peddlers. The second element of the forwarding system is the paperwork. The paperwork is designed to keep the administrative effort by the drivers and yard masters as low as possible. There are two parts, the waybill and the car card. The waybill describes the freight being carried, the origination location, the destination location, and the type of vehicle required. The car card describes an individual vehicle, for example, S-truck, BWH buggy wheat hopper, or tank car, etc. There is one card for each vehicle on the layout. The car card also lists the home location of the vehicle, for example, Elsewhere Yard, North Grafton Yard, Dorrigo, etc. The car card has a pouch that holds the waybill on the outward journey. Freight begins its travel when a waybill is introduced at the origination point. For example, a load of timber may begin at Pine Creek. The waybill shows the destination, and the wagon type required. In the Pine Creek timber example, it may be destined for export at Boamby and the wagon required is a K-truck. When a suitable vehicle is matched to the waybill is inserted in the car card pocket and the two remain together throughout the journey. Once the freight has arrived at its destination, the waybill is removed from the car card pouch and the vehicle commences its homeward journey empty. Let us follow a particular wagon once loaded until it reaches its destination and then as it returns empty.
Hello, my name is Goldie. I am a Golden Fleece tank car. Here is my card. I live at Elsewhere and I carry petroleum products to locations all over Cooinda Railway. On this next trip, I'm being filled at the refinery with fuel oil for the abattoir at Warhope Sidings. The journey starts at Elsewhere. There are 9 of us traveling to various destinations and the yard shunter has been trying to get all us eager departing cars together as one train. As you can see from the routing map, all freight to and from Elsewhere passes through Glenray and on to Sherwood. The yard shunter has been toying with us for some time, and we are now on a siding waiting for a strong but gentle, handsome mainline locomotive to take us to the refinery for filling. The car cards and waybills will stay with us throughout our journey.
We will leave Goldie loading at the refinery for the moment. Her onward journey will continue in episode 7, in which we will observe shunting at Sherwood and Coffs Harbour. Thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy our operating days.